The only thing we actually have in common is we have a car. For the rest, we're basically using that car to offer a service. It's actually a monthly contract which you can cancel every month. It gives you access to that car, everything included, insurance, service, etc. But you can share the car, it's included within the software of the car, and the more you share it, the lower is your cost. And on top of that, we don't have dealerships, we have clubs, because we want to make sure that our customers are sort of part of a community and have experience in those clubs. So it's a fundamentally different business model and concept. The main reason why we're doing what we're doing is because we see a global trend that people spend more money on doing things rather than owning things. And we see a growing percentage of customers that need a car but don't necessarily want to buy a car or not even lease a car for 24 months. They say, I will need it next month and maybe the month after, we'll see. So the total flexibility, that is actually the main reason. And I would say, of course, it's a big risk because I think that concept didn't exist. We had a target of 9,000 members, customers in 2021. We ended the year with 90,000. So we clearly see that Europe is ready for such a concept. It's going very fast, a bit faster than we ever anticipated. We are also, like all of our competitors, suffering with supply issues. We have much more customers than cars. It's a luxury problem, but it's a problem. But we're growing fast. To give you an idea, we were about 200 employees exactly a year ago. We're just over 800 now. So it grows very fast. And our customer base is growing at an incredible speed, despite the fact that we're hardly doing any marketing. So the model seems to be working really well. We're now in 7 markets in Europe. And given the success that we have so far in the first initial plan, we want to go expand within Europe, more markets in Europe. And then we have the ambition, more than a plan, but clearly the ambition to also go to the US market. I think basically the product is going to evolve in terms of electrification, HMI, the whole digital experience is going to be fundamentally different. Electric drive makes the drive much more pleasant and much more smooth. But I think the real revolution will come with autonomous drive, where I think people will not drive anymore, but will be driven. And I think mobility will become a service rather than a product. And we see ourselves as the transition from car buying to car using to mobility using. And I think the future of the mobility of the car industry will be a service, and we want to be one of those service brands rather than just producing cars. Suddenly the buzzword in the industry is subscription, but if you analyze the subscriptions in the industry, they're all lease. And for us, the fundamental difference is it's 1 month and you can share. So we see the car industry not really moving a lot in that area. So we don't see the competition coming from within the car industry.